In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize keyboard shortcuts in Revit. If you've ever wished common tools were just a keystroke away, this will speed up your workflow right away. We'll open the keyboard shortcuts window, find the command you want, assign a shortcut, save it, and apply the change so you can start using it immediately. First, open the keyboard shortcuts window. The fastest way is to press KS on your keyboard. If you prefer the menus, go to View, then User Interface, and choose Keyboard Shortcuts. Both paths take you to the same panel, where all commands and their shortcuts are managed. Next, search for the command you want to change. At the top, use the search bar to quickly find tools by name. Type something like wall, align, or trim, and Revit will filter the list so you don't have to scroll. This is especially helpful if you're setting up several shortcuts at once and want to move through them efficiently. Now select the command and assign a new shortcut. Click the command in the list so it's highlighted, then click in the field labeled Press New Keys. Type the shortcut you want to use. Think about a combination that's easy to remember and doesn't conflict with your operating system's global shortcuts. For example, mnemonics like AL for align or TR for trim can be intuitive, or you can use modifier keys if that fits your style. The goal is to make your most used tools feel effortless to access. Click Assign to save the new shortcut. If that shortcut is already in use, Revit will warn you. This is your cue to decide whether to keep your new choice and reassign the previous command, or try a different combination that won't cause a conflict. Choosing unique, meaningful shortcuts helps keep your setup predictable and prevents accidental tool switches. Finally, click OK to apply your changes. Your new shortcuts are active immediately, so you can start using them right away. Give them a quick test in your project to confirm they feel natural and do exactly what you expect. If something doesn't feel right, you can return to the keyboard shortcuts window, adjust the key combination, click Assign again, and then OK to apply the tweak. That's all there is to it. Open the window with KS or via the View menu, search for your command, assign a memorable shortcut, click Assign, and click OK. With a few thoughtful choices, your most frequent actions become second nature, and your modeling speed will noticeably improve.